Odyssey Linux Beta 4 has arrived. And if you've been looking for a fresh Linux distribution that combines a modern desktop experience with a polished design and practical usability, this release is definitely worth paying attention to. While many Linux distributions focus on either extreme customization or complete simplicity, Odyssey Linux appears to be aiming for a balanced experience that feels modern, responsive, and approachable without sacrificing the flexibility that Linux users expect. Beta 4 represents another important milestone in the project's development, bringing numerous improvements, bug fixes, performance optimizations, and refinements that move the operating system closer to a stable public release. Although this is still a beta version and not intended for mission-critical environments, it provides an excellent opportunity to explore the direction the developers are taking and see whether Odyssey Linux could become one of the more interesting desktop distributions in the Linux ecosystem. The first thing you'll notice after booting into Odyssey Linux Beta 4 is its clean and carefully designed interface. Rather than overwhelming users with excessive customization options immediately, the desktop feels organized and intuitive. Everything appears to have been placed with usability in mind, making it easy for newcomers to navigate while still providing enough flexibility for experienced Linux enthusiasts. The desktop layout follows familiar conventions, allowing users coming from Windows or other Linux distributions to adapt quickly. Menus are responsive, system notifications are neatly integrated, and animations feel smooth without being distracting. The overall presentation gives the impression that a significant amount of attention has been paid to creating a consistent visual identity instead of simply packaging existing components together. Performance is another area where Odyssey Linux Beta 4 makes a strong first impression. Even during early testing, the desktop environment feels lightweight and responsive. Applications launch quickly, workspace switching is smooth, and multitasking remains comfortable even with multiple browser tabs, Office applications, and file managers running simultaneously. Memory usage appears well optimized, allowing the operating system to perform efficiently on both modern hardware and slightly older computers. While heavier workloads such as video editing or virtualization naturally depend on system specifications, everyday desktop usage feels surprisingly polished for a beta release. This responsiveness contributes greatly to the overall user experience and suggests that optimization has been an important focus during development. Hardware compatibility has also seen noticeable improvements compared to earlier development builds. Odyssey Linux Beta 4 successfully detects a wide variety of hardware components during installation, including modern processors, graphics cards, wireless adapters, Bluetooth devices, printers, and external storage. Automatic driver detection simplifies the installation process, reducing the amount of manual configuration typically required on some Linux distributions. Users installing the operating system on laptops will appreciate working Wi-Fi, functional touchpads, proper display scaling, battery monitoring, and power management features immediately after installation. Although there may still be isolated compatibility issues due to the beta status, the overall hardware support appears encouraging for a project at this stage. The installation process itself has become much more user-friendly. The installer guides users through language selection, keyboard configuration, disk partitioning, time zone settings, and account creation using a straightforward step-by-step workflow. Even users with limited Linux experience should find the installation relatively simple. Advanced users still have access to manual partitioning and more detailed configuration options if desired. Installation times remain reasonable depending on storage speed, and after rebooting, the system is ready to use with a practical collection of pre-installed applications. This smooth onboarding experience helps create a positive first impression and lowers the barrier for users considering switching from another operating system. Software selection is another area where Odyssey Linux Beta 4 demonstrates careful planning. Instead of filling the system with unnecessary applications, the developers include a balanced collection of programs suitable for everyday productivity. A modern web browser, Office suite, media player, image viewer, archive manager, file manager, software center, and system utilities are available immediately after installation. This approach keeps the operating system lightweight while still ensuring that users can begin working without downloading dozens of essential applications. The software manager provides access to a much larger collection of packages, allowing users to customize their installations according to their personal needs without making the default experience feel cluttered. Security remains one of Linux's greatest strengths, and Odyssey Linux Beta 4 continues to build upon that foundation. Regular package updates, secure repositories, permission-based system architecture, and integrated update management help keep the operating system protected against known vulnerabilities. Users are notified when updates become available, making it easy to maintain system security without requiring complicated terminal commands. More advanced users can still perform updates through the command line, but graphical tools make routine maintenance accessible for everyone. Although beta software should never be considered completely secure due to ongoing development, the project's commitment to timely updates demonstrates responsible development practices. Customization options are available without becoming overwhelming. Users can modify wallpapers, themes, icons, panel layouts, keyboard shortcuts, fonts, and desktop behavior through intuitive settings menus. Those who enjoy personalizing their desktop will find plenty of flexibility, while users who simply want a functional operating system can leave the default configuration untouched. This balance between simplicity and customization is one of Odyssey Linux Beta 4's strongest qualities because it respects different types of users instead of forcing everyone into the same workflow. Under the hood, Odyssey Linux Beta 4 benefits from a modern Linux kernel along with updated system libraries and recent versions of popular desktop software. These updates improve hardware support, stability, and overall system compatibility. Modern kernels also provide better support for newer AMD and Intel processors. Recent graphics hardware, USB devices, networking equipment, and power management technologies. Updated libraries contribute to better application compatibility while improving performance and security across the operating system. Although users may not immediately notice these technical improvements, they significantly influence the stability and reliability of the entire platform. Gaming support continues to improve as well. Thanks to ongoing developments in Proton, Steam, Vulkan, and Linux graphics drivers, Odyssey Linux Beta 4 can provide a capable gaming experience for many users. Steam installs easily, and thousands of Windows games can potentially run through Proton with minimal configuration. Native Linux games also perform well depending on hardware specifications. While professional gamers may still need to evaluate compatibility with specific anti-cheat systems or specialized peripherals, casual and enthusiast gamers will likely find the platform increasingly attractive as Linux gaming continues to mature. One particularly encouraging aspect of Odyssey Linux Beta 4 is the noticeable polish throughout the desktop environment. Small improvements such as consistent icons, smoother animations, better application integration, cleaner settings panels, improved notifications, and thoughtful default configurations all contribute to an operating system that feels more complete than many early beta releases. These details may seem minor individually, but together, they create an experience that feels cohesive and carefully designed. It suggests that the developers are paying attention not only to technical functionality, but also to user experience, which often separates memorable Linux distributions from forgettable ones. Of course, because this is still a beta release, users should expect occasional bugs and unfinished features. Some applications may unexpectedly crash. Certain hardware configurations could experience compatibility issues, and minor visual inconsistencies may still exist throughout the interface. Performance may vary depending on hardware, and updates released during the beta period could introduce both improvements and temporary regressions. Anyone considering installing Odyssey Linux Beta 4 should ideally test it on a secondary machine or within a virtual machine before relying on it for daily work. Beta testing plays an essential role in helping developers identify remaining issues before the stable release becomes available. Overall, Odyssey Linux Beta 4 leaves a very positive first impression. It combines an attractive desktop, responsive performance, sensible software selection, strong hardware compatibility, useful customization options, modern Linux technologies, and a polished installation experience into a package that already feels surprisingly refined despite its beta status. While there is still work to be done before the final release, the progress demonstrated in Beta 4 indicates that the project is moving steadily in the right direction. If development continues at this pace, Odyssey Linux has the potential to become an appealing choice for users seeking a modern Linux desktop that balances performance, usability, reliability, and visual polish. Whether you're a Linux newcomer searching for an accessible operating system or an experienced enthusiast eager to explore emerging distributions, Odyssey Linux Beta 4 is certainly a release worth watching as it moves closer to its official stable debut.